The Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls, and the strange rock towers, scattered across deserts all over the world, owe their shape to the same handful of processes, none of which involve an explosion or a collision, just water, wind, ice, and time. Here's what erosion actually is. Erosion is the process by which rock and soil are worn away and physically moved from one place to another, and it's easy to confuse with a similar but different process, weathering, which breaks rock down where it sits, without transporting it anywhere. Erosion is what happens next, once that broken material is picked up and carried away by wind, water, or ice. Rivers erode mainly through four mechanisms. Hydraulic action is the sheer force of moving water breaking rock apart directly. Abrasion happens when sediment carried by the river grinds against the riverbed and banks like sandpaper. Attrition is when rocks and sediment collide with each other as they're transported, gradually wearing each other down into smaller, smoother fragments. And solution, sometimes called corrosion, is when slightly acidic water chemically dissolves certain types of rock, like limestone, over time. Coastlines experience many of the same processes, but with waves doing the work instead of rivers. Hydraulic action from crashing waves can compress air into cracks in cliffs with enough force to fracture rock, while abrasion from sand and pebbles carried by waves grinds away at the coastline, gradually undercutting cliffs and shaping headlands, arches, and sea stacks. Ice erodes differently again, through plucking, where meltwater refreezes around loose rock and rips it away as a glacier moves, and abrasion, where rock embedded in the base of the ice scrapes across the landscape beneath it, carving out the deep U-shaped valleys and fjords found in glaciated regions. Wind erosion matters most in dry, exposed landscapes, where loose sand and dust are picked up and blasted against rock surfaces, slowly sculpting some of the most distinctive shapes found in deserts. Whichever agent is doing the work, water, ice, waves, or wind, erosion always follows the same basic pattern: breaking material loose and carrying it somewhere else, reshaping the landscape one grain, one crack, one wave at a time, often over millions of years. If you want to understand how the world's landscapes were really made, subscribe for more landform explainer videos.